Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions that unblock preview playback. Check your After Effects version and that your OS supports the GPU features you use. Outdated drivers often stop previews. Once done, clear the disk cache and point the cache to an SSD for faster scrubbing. Make sure enough RAM is allocated in Preferences so frames can render. This prevents frequent cache misses. These steps eliminate common blockers before deeper troubleshooting. Next, focus on playback and render settings that control how frames are generated. You should set preview to adaptive resolution or half to reduce render load, and enable disk cache plus multi-frame rendering so frames persist between previews. If you see dropped frames, disable or solo track heavy effects and use Draft 3D while testing. That isolates performance issues. Also test changing the preview frame rate to a lower value to see if CPU or GPU throttling is the cause, and then incrementally restore settings. Finally, apply final fixes and a targeted troubleshooting tip if previews still fail. Purge all caches and restart After Effects. If problems persist, reset preferences to default to remove corrupted config. Check audio hardware and sample rate mismatches, and close background apps that steal GPU or disk I/O. If playback continues to fail, build a minimal test composition with a single clip to see whether a particular asset or effect is responsible. If that isolates the problem, replace or pre-render.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.